Okay, so we're going to start with a new file, and we go hashtag include, so we can actually call print functions, and there we have it. So stdio means standard input output, and it's a header file, so we don't need to know what it has inside it as such, and then we can just print hello world, if I could ever type it right. And then because we're in C, we want to return 0, and that's it. So then we go to our terminal, and we, as you can see, I already tried this. We go gcc, so I better just type it out. So gcc hello.c -o, I'm just going to call it hello, and then we go and full stop / hello, and as you can see there, we have hello world. Thank you.